The campaigns of Germanicus against the Germanic tribes reached a dramatic climax at the Angrivarian Wall in 16 AD, a decisive moment in Rome's quest to recover its lost honor after the catastrophic Varian disaster of 9 AD. This battle not only restored the lost legionary eagles, but also reasserted Roman power along the Rhine frontier, showcasing the skill and determination of one of Rome's greatest early imperial generals. Context: revenge for Teutoburg. After the annihilation of legions 17, 18, and 19 in the Teutoburg forest, the Roman Empire faced a crisis of prestige and morale. The lost Aquili, the sacred eagles representing each legion's honor, became a rallying point for Roman vengeance. Germanicus, nephew and adoptive son of Emperor Tiberius, led a series of campaigns from 14 to 16 AD aimed at punishing the tribes responsible, chiefly the Cherusei under Arminius, and reclaiming the lost standards. By 16 AD, Germanicus had carefully organized a substantial force, combining Roman legions with allied auxiliary troops. His strategic goal was to draw Arminius into a decisive engagement while maintaining the discipline, cohesion, and flexibility that had been the hallmark of Roman military excellence. The battle at the Angrivarian Wall. The confrontation occurred along a defensive earthwork known as the Angrivarian Wall, constructed by the Germanic tribes to impede Roman advances. Germanicus advanced deliberately, using reconnaissance to understand the terrain and enemy dispositions. Arminius, confident from previous successes, attempted to resist the Roman advance, but Germanicus' troops executed a combination of frontal assaults and flanking maneuvers that overwhelmed the Germanic defenders. The battle saw Roman legions demonstrating tactical versatility. Infantry held firm against spear and axe, while cavalry and skirmishers struck the flanks and rear. The Germanic lines broke under coordinated Roman pressure, and survivors fled. Crucially, Germanicus recovered at least 2 of the lost legionary eagles, a symbolic and morale-boosting triumph for Rome. Aftermath and significance. The victory at the Angrivarian Wall marked the restoration of Roman honor after nearly a decade of humiliation in Germania. The recovery of the lost eagles symbolized the empire's resilience and reinforced Germanicus' reputation as a capable and charismatic commander. Politically, it demonstrated the ability of the early Principate to project power and punish defiance, even deep within hostile territory. Despite these successes, the campaigns did not result in permanent Roman conquest of Germania. Strategic realities, logistical challenges, and political considerations ultimately limited Rome's expansion beyond the Rhine. Nevertheless, Germanicus' victories, including at the Angrivarian Wall, ensured that Rome could assert its authority and prestige in the region. Legacy. The Battle of the Angrivarian Wall and the recovery of the lost eagles stand as a testament to Roman determination, discipline, and the enduring power of symbolism in warfare. Germanicus' campaigns remain a defining example of early imperial Roman strategy, blending tactical brilliance, morale management, and political acumen. The restoration of the eagles was more than a military achievement. It was a reclamation of Rome's honor, sending a clear message that even the darkest defeats could be avenged by courage, skill, and relentless determination.